Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. This time we are unboxing Shure MV7 podcast microphone. Let's check out the features while I'm unboxing it. The list of features is voice isolation technology, auto level mode, live stream ready, customizable sound signature, real-time headphones monitoring, touch panel control, mic stand compatible. And mic stand is actually sold separately, so you have to purchase it separately. The feature voice isolation technology, it's described as it separates your voice from unwanted background noise, and you can record uninterrupted audio every time. The auto level mode is basically reducing your editing time, and that the microphone mix your level in real time. Live stream ready. You can basically connect it to USB and XLR, and it's compatible with Mac and Windows, laptop, desktops, audio interfaces, mixers, and selected Apple and Android mobile devices. Welcome to Better Sound. You can find the details on Shure webpage. The customizable sound signature. It basically you can choose auto level mode or customize it yourself. There is equalizer where you can customize it. You can select dark, natural or bright sound signature in auto mode, and you can choose your mic position setting to optimize your sound. On the touch panel control you can mute and unmute your microphone. You can switch between microphone gain levels and between volume, which is basically coming from the jack connector on the back side of the microphone. You can also switch between manual and auto mode on the touch panel of the microphone. Finally, let's check out what's inside the box. And we have a quick starter guide, something you can read. Then we have a one-page manual, how to download Shure Plus Motif application to your PC, and then the microphone itself. Let's take it out. It also has a yoke. It's actually very heavy. You have small adapter, so you can mount it to other types of microphone stand. And then we have several other disclaimers and warranties. Many different languages as well, so you can check out. Then we have a set of cables. Let's check out what kind of cables we have in the box. There is one cable USB-A to micro USB. And then there is a cable from USB-C to micro USB. That's the content of the box. Let's check the microphone itself. So as I mentioned, it has a mountable yoke. So here you can see the sliders and the touchscreen buttons, and here we can see the connectors, XLR, micro USB, and the jack for the headphones. So the yoke, you can actually mount it to your stand. I'm doing the unboxing of the stand separately, so please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. As you can see, it's a standard mounting system. Let's try to mount it to my stand. And as you can see, the stand which I bought separately, it's a perfect fit. I don't need the adapter. Let's check out how to connect it to micro USB cable. As you can see, you will just plug it in. You can apply a little bit of force. The only thing which I noticed when you put it in, it's not fully fit, so there will be a little bit space, 2 millimeters. You can notice that gap, but that's fine. You can't push it more further. This is how it is. I hope Shure will work on this in the next version. And then you will just plug it into your PC to the USB port, and you should be all set for the initial setup. Obviously, you will need to download the Shure Plus Motif application where you can set all the presets, but that will be about my next video, so please make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and see you during my next video. Cheers!